Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to compose the birthday tune using Magic Board. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Magic Board coding app and connect the Magic Board using a Type-C cable. Step 2. Go to the control panel, drag the play note block to the programming area. Step 3. From the drop-down, choose the notes and beats as shown here. Middle G half beats. Middle G half beats. Middle A half beats. High C half beats. Middle B half beats. Middle G half beats. Middle A half beats. Middle G half beats. Middle D half beats. Middle C half beats. Step 4. Click on play button to upload the code and see the Magic Board in action. Thus, we have composed the birthday tune using Magic Board.